Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to learn about string data type. So what exactly string is? String is a literal with collection of characters which includes alphanumeric and special characters, meaning that we can have numeric value, alphanumeric value, and we can put some special character inside of the quote. So basically how you defined string is using double quote, single quote, in and in backtick. Where you can find backtick is it is located at the just above on your tab key on your keyboard. Okay, just above your tab key on your keyboard, you can find this backtick. So you can define string using these three technique: double quote, single quote, and backtick. So let's see how we can define that and how we can use that in our code editor. Let's take a variable inside of our script tag var x is equals to, let's see, we can use John in double quote, and we can take document dot write, and we can display our output in HTML. So this is John. Second, we can define another string using single quote. We can use David this time. So now we can give this document dot write. First we can take a br tag, so it comes in a separate line, and then comma, and we can display our y. So let's see, you can see here David. Third one is we can use backtick to define our string var z equals to John David. So we can simply write again z. So you see right here all three values are there. So next we have single and double quote are used to switch between inner and outer string. What that means exactly is, if you are using double quote to define a string, and you want to use another quote, so you have to use single quote inside of that double quote. You cannot use both at the same time. Another thing is, let's see, you defined a variable x, and you say, or let's say age is 25. Okay, you want to show this age, and so you can simply, you have to use plus sign to show the age, right? And again, if you want to write some text, you can write, and your age is, and we have to another plus sign to show this. So this is kind of very like difficult to show our string. To make this task easy, we have a backtick. So let's see how we can write the same thing. You can simply delete this, and we can use backtick, and we can write like simple plain language, your name is John and your age is. So we have a binding expression in backtick. So how you write the binding expression is, you write the dollar sign and you give the curly brackets, and you can write age inside of it. So you see here that it will gonna show the same way you have written inside of this backtick. This is called binding expression, right? So we can use any kind of expression inside of this bracket. Let's say we can have name, var name equals to John. So this is another value, so we want to dynamically get the value, so we can simply remove this John from here, and we can write dollar sign, and we can have a curly bracket, and we can simply give the variable name. So your name is John and your age is 25. So later if you want to change the name, you can simply change to David. So it will update right here. So this is how we mostly use backtick. And next what we have is, so we already took care of this issue, like single and double quote string requires a lot of concatenation with plus operator for dynamic values and expression. So we already see that, right? So now we already know about binding expression in string is allowed only for backtick. So only binding expression you can write in backtick. It's not allowed in double quote or single quote. Just make sure about that. Next we have a escape sequence. So where we use this escape sequence, like sometime you want to show some kind of special character that is not showing in HTML document. So you just add backslash before that, it will show. So to print non-printable character, you need this slash as escape sequence character. So if you want to print something or if you want to show something that is not showing in your HTML, you simply add backslash before that character or special character. Let's see how we can do that. We can simply add document dot write. Normally we have a path in D, so we can have C, and your name file name is index.html. All right, so you want to show that part. So as you can see here, the slash is not showing in your HTML. Just before index is not showing, but we have given this. If you want to show this backslash, we simply add another backslash. So now you can see the backslash is now showing. So this is how you use this escape sequence character to show the non-printable characters in your HTML. So now we have to learn about string formatting methods. So JavaScript provides various methods to format a string dynamically that include font size, font color, bold, italic, underline, sub, strike, uppercase and lowercase. We use this a lot, and we will learn all this one by one. So in next video we will start learning about this string formatting methods. So in this video we have covered about this double quote, single quote and backtick, and we have covered about escape sequence. So in next video we will learn about string formatting methods. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you can get the notification of my new videos. If you have any question or any kind of issue in your programs, please comment in the YouTube so I can see them and I can provide you the solution. So I see you in the next video.